everyone, welcome to the RF Birds. If you are a bird lover like me, you are always looking for a way to help your feather friends thrive. Today we are talking about a simple and affordable way to do that, feeding weight to birds. You might be surprised at all the amazing benefits weight can offer. So let's dive in. I took some weight in the bowl. Now I will soak this weight in water for 24 hours. After soaking, I wash the weights well. Now I come to feed the birds. All of my birds love this weight. Wheat is a great source of energy. Birds burn a lot of calories, especially during colder months or when they are migrating. The carbohydrates in wheat give them the fuel they need to stay active and strong. But that's not all. Wheat also contains protein, fiber, and essential vitamins like B vitamins, which help birds maintain a healthy balanced diet. Wheat is easy to find and super simple to store. You don't need to break the bank to give your local birds a tasty meal. It's an excellent way to engage with nature and enjoy watching birds close up. So next time you feel your feeder, consider adding wheat to the mix. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more bird feeding tips. Happy bird watching!